March 8, 2017, 2 p.m., 127 Unit 5, Mellow Drive, Charlotte, padlock renovation. So you got small cracks and a stain, taste of linoleum. Stain may not come up, need to be checked out. Large trash out. The tables, plants, chairs, lamps, TVs, bicycles, clothes, etc. Kitchen cabinets need to be refinished. Multiple pieces of paneling where the kitchen countertops are missing or coming up need to be repaired. Several black markings and nail/holes in the walls. It's not our color, it's a cream. The majority of trim need to be painted. Several stains in the carpets. Most I don't think will come up. That needs to be checked out. Several cracks and multiple of the doors paneling need to be checked out, repaired, or replaced. More stains in the carpets. More items that need to be trashed up. More cracks and paneling on the doors. Recaulk the toilet and bathtub. Shower. Toilet seats tight. Toilet paper holders tight. And that's about it.